Practical education is an essential component of a comprehensive learning system. It focuses on hands-on experiences and real-world application of theoretical knowledge, which is crucial in shaping competent, skilled, and confident individuals. Unlike traditional learning that relies heavily on textbooks and lectures, practical education involves activities such as experiments, fieldwork, internships, simulations, and projects that help students understand and apply concepts effectively. In today's fast-paced and dynamic world, practical knowledge often proves to be more valuable than theoretical understanding alone. It empowers students to engage actively with their subjects, fosters critical thinking, and bridges the gap between academic knowledge and real-life challenges. One of the most important aspects of practical education is its role in enhancing student engagement and understanding. When students are actively involved in learning activities, they tend to grasp concepts more easily and retain information longer. Practical learning encourages curiosity and allows students to explore their interests. For instance, in science subjects, laboratory experiments enable learners to witness theories in action. In technical education, workshops and practice sessions equip students with the ability to operate machinery or software, transforming abstract concepts into tangible skills. This kind of active learning not only strengthens comprehension but also instills a sense of responsibility and ownership over one's education. Another significant advantage of practical education is that it builds essential life and career skills. Communication, teamwork, problem-solving, adaptability, and decision-making are often developed more effectively through practical experiences than in traditional classrooms. When students work on group projects or participate in internships, they are exposed to real-world scenarios that demand collaboration and strategic thinking. These experiences prepare them for the workplace, where soft skills are as vital as technical expertise. Employers today seek candidates who can not only perform tasks but also contribute meaningfully to their organizations. Practical education gives students an edge by fostering these competencies early on. Moreover, practical education plays a vital role in boosting creativity and innovation. By encouraging experimentation and hands-on exploration, it allows students to think outside the box and come up with original ideas. This is particularly important in fields such as engineering, design, and entrepreneurship, where innovation drives progress. Through project-based learning and creative challenges, students learn to approach problems from different perspectives and develop unique solutions. Such an environment nurtures an innovative mindset, which is critical for both personal and societal advancement. Practical education also contributes significantly to personal development and confidence building. Engaging in real-world tasks helps students understand their strengths and areas for improvement. When they succeed in completing a project or solving a practical problem, it boosts their self-esteem and motivates them to take on more challenges. Learning through doing also reduces the fear of failure, as students become more resilient and open to learning from mistakes. This growth mindset is essential not just in education but in every aspect of life. Furthermore, practical education aligns well with the needs of modern industries and the global economy. With the rapid advancement of technology and changing job market demands, it is crucial for education systems to produce graduates who are job-ready. Many industries today require workers with hands-on experience and specific skill sets that can only be developed through practical training. For instance, medical students must undergo clinical practice, engineering students need lab work and industrial exposure, and hospitality students benefit from on-the-job training. By integrating practical education into the curriculum, institutions can ensure that their students are equipped with the tools necessary to meet industry standards and expectations. In addition, practical education fosters a better understanding of the social and environmental context in which students operate. Activities such as community service, field visits, and environmental projects help students connect their learning with real-world issues. This awareness not only enriches their education but also instills a sense of responsibility towards society and the planet. It promotes civic engagement and encourages students to be active participants in their communities, contributing to a more informed and empathetic generation. Educational reforms in many countries are increasingly recognizing the importance of practical education. Curriculums are being revised to include more experiential learning opportunities, and institutions are investing in infrastructure such as labs, workshops, and simulation centers. Governments and educational bodies are also partnering with industries to provide internships and apprenticeships that enhance students' practical exposure. This shift reflects a growing consensus that the future of education lies in combining theory with practice to produce well-rounded individuals. Despite its numerous benefits, practical education still faces challenges in implementation. Limited resources, lack of trained faculty, inadequate infrastructure, and rigid academic systems often hinder the effective integration of practical components into education. To overcome these challenges, there needs to be a collective effort from policymakers, educators, and industry leaders. Investment in education infrastructure, teacher training programs, and industry-academia collaboration can go a long way in strengthening practical education. Additionally, assessment methods need to evolve to evaluate practical skills and real-world problem-solving abilities, rather than relying solely on written exams. In conclusion, practical education is indispensable in shaping capable, confident, and career-ready individuals. It enriches the learning experience by making it more interactive, relevant, and impactful. Through hands-on activities, students not only gain a deeper understanding of their subjects but also develop essential life and professional skills. Practical education prepares them to face real-world challenges, adapt to changing environments, and contribute meaningfully to society. As the world continues to evolve, embracing practical education is not just beneficial, it is essential for building a brighter and more capable future. Subscribe for more updates.